everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the tools that I like to use to thread elastic waistbands. First, I'm going to start with the safety pin. The safety pin is the easiest to find because you probably have it laying around your house. However, this is my least favorite when working with tulle. The safety pin kind of leaves the elastic exposed a little bit, and that starts to snag against the tulle and it frays, and it'll get the job done though. It's not my favorite. Next is the metal elastic pull. And I do like this tool. I like it because it's long, so you're able to handle it better than the safety pin, and the metal part does slide through there easily. However, again, it leaves the elastic exposed, and so the elastic kind of snags, and if you don't put this on right, it will slide right off right in the middle of your threading. So lastly, I like these plastic glides or plastic thread pullers. This is my favorite. I just found these this summer. Maybe you've seen these before and I'm just late to the party, but what I like about these is the elastic end is pulled backwards so it doesn't snag against the tulle. So I will leave a link to where you can find similar products in the description box of this video, and I will see you again on Tutu Tuesday.